This is an instructional video on how to purchase online, how to book online on Vox Singing Academy's website. So you click here, okay, book online, save time. Now, if you are wanting to book studio classes, you just keep it will be default, will automatically open up on this, and you can just click the drop down, it'll have all the studios there. If you want to book an online lesson, please click the green box, and this will bring up just to book online. So as you can see, it's a little bit different, just gives you the what's available and your teacher. But if you want to book lessons for the studios in Melbourne, you click the red box. And we'll go with Brunswick. Now I'm going to go with a first initial class firstly. So if you're booking your first initial class, you can only book one initial class. After you have your first initial class, we only work 5 or 10 week terms. You can't book in single classes. If you want to pay for single classes, we do have a direct debit option. We can directly debit your account every Monday. So that is an option, and speak to your teacher regarding that. But I'll show you how to book in for a first initial class online here. We'll just go with myself, and then you go next. Then you pick the time that you want. We're just going to go with this. And then, this is very important that you read this. You selected booking first initial 30-minute class at 2 p.m. If you have booked your first initial lesson, please click continue. If you have booked a 5-week term, please click the button below, get your schedule. But we've just done a first initial class. So we're going to just press continue. And that will take you to your cart where you'd have to add your details. Okay, so that just clarifies this. Next. And you would basically put in your details here, and your payment details, and then complete, and then it will be done. Very, very simple. So now I'm going to show you how to do a 5-week term here now. So to book in a 5-week term, again, pretty simple, a little bit different. 5-week term, and we'll go with Emily. Go to next. We'll just pick the first one here. Okay, so very important. You selected a 5-week 30-minute term at 1 p.m. with Emily. If you have booked a 5-week term, please click the button below to get your schedule. Okay, so you click this, it automatically comes up with defaults. Okay, get your schedule, and then you can continue on. So this will tell you the times when you're booked in, and then you continue here. Again, you'll fill in your, this will just tell you how much all the lessons are here. Okay, and that's how much it is. And then you just go next, fill in your details, and then obviously payment details, and then complete after you do this. So that's pretty simple. Now I'm going to show you how to do a 10-week term. So again, same thing. Let's just go on to here. Go to St Kilda, 10-week term. Let's go with seller. Go to next. So this is very important, this one here. Okay, so we're just going to go 9 o'clock on a Saturday. If you have booked a 10-week term, please click the button below. Change the box below to 10, and then click the get your schedule button. So you click this button, you change this to 10, and get your schedule. And this will confirm your schedule here now, as you can see. And then this is the second page. This is when it is. Now I just want to let you know as well too, you just need to give your teacher 24 hours cancellation if you want to cancel any of these. You don't have to have your lessons back to back, one in a row every week. So if you're sick or you're going away, you can always cancel your class as long as you give your teacher 24-hour notice. Anyway, we'll go to continue here. And that's going to give you all the totals here with the discount. Seller's lessons are 35. That's why it's a 10% discount. That's why they're cheaper here. That's got my schedule. Go to next. and you'll fill in your name, phone number. We'll leave it all as this. We'll go next. And then you pop in your credit card details, and then it's all complete. Hope that helps you out. Thank you. If you have any questions, please ring admin on 0422 78289 if you're still having some troubles. That number again is 0422 78289. Thank you.